Are you having a hard time getting people to trust you or see you as an expert in your field? You are not alone. One of the best ways to build that trust is by creating content that actually helps your audience. Hey, I'm Faye, a brand web designer, and today I'm talking about blogs, videos, resources, things that help show you know your stuff and genuinely want to help. We'll break it all down, why high quality content is so important, the best ways to create it, and the common mistakes to avoid. And by the end, you should have a solid plan to start building trust and positioning yourself as the go-to person in your field. So let's get started.
You know,
Here's the deal. People need to know you're good at what you do before they trust you enough to work with you. And high quality content makes that happen. It's your chance to show what you know, how you solve problems, and why people should choose you over the competition. When you consistently share valuable content, a few things happen. One, you build trust. People see that you're not just talking to talk, you actually know your stuff. You're attracting the right audience, the kind of people who need what you offer will start finding you. You grow your reputation when you're regularly sharing helpful tips or insights. You become the go-to resource in your niche. This isn't about being flashy or overly polished. It's about being helpful and reliable. The more value you offer, the more your audience will come to you when they need help. It's really as simple as that. If you want to start creating high quality content, here are some straightforward practical steps you can take right now to show your expertise and help your audience. 1. Try to write some blog posts or articles. Writing blogs is a simple way to share your knowledge and help your audience solve their problems. Focus on common questions or challenges in your industry and break them down into helpful, easy to understand tips. Use keywords your audience might search for. This might help your blog rank higher in Google and makes it easier for people to find you. 2. Create video content. Videos are an awesome way to connect with people on a more personal level. Plus, they're super engaging. Share tutorials, explainers, or answer frequently asked questions in your area of expertise. Platforms like YouTube, Instagram, or TikTok are perfect for reaching new audiences. Keep your videos short and to the point, but don't be afraid to show your personality, because people connect with people. 3. Host some webinars or workshops. If you want to dive a little deeper, webinars and workshops are a great option. They let you interact with your audience in real time, answer their questions, and build a stronger connection. With them, you're giving value upfront, which builds trust, and you can then follow up with a soft pitch or an invite for them to learn more. 4. Offer some free resources. People love freebies, especially when it's useful. Create downloadable guides, checklists, or templates that solve a specific problem your audience is facing. Use these as lead magnets to grow your email list and keep the conversation going with your audience. Remember, the goal here isn't to overwhelm yourself. Start with 1 or 2 of these steps and then build from there. The key is to consistently create content that solves problems, answers questions, and shows your audience that you're the real deal. Your content should always focus on solving problems for your audience. That's what keeps people coming back. Start by understanding what your audience is struggling with and create content that helps, whether that's tips, tutorials, or advice. Your goal is to make their life easier. Don't overcomplicate things. Speak directly to your audience and keep your language clear and approachable. Showing up regularly also builds trust, whether that's a weekly blog or a monthly video. Make sure your audience knows that they can count on you for value. People can tell when you're genuinely invested in helping them. Share knowledge without holding back or making it feel too much like a sales pitch. High quality content isn't about being perfect, it's about being helpful, relatable, and consistent. Even with the best intentions, there are some traps to look out for when creating content. 1. Nobody likes a constant sales pitch. If all of your content is just about what you're selling, people will tune out. Focus 80% of your content on educating or entertaining, and maybe 20% of it on promoting your services. Also, you can't post a blog today and then disappear for 3 months. Consistency builds trust and keeps you top of mind. Create a content schedule that you can actually stick to. Even 1 post a week is better than random bursts of activity. Also, if your content is too broad or generic, it's not really going to connect with anyone. Speak directly to your target audience and their specific needs. The more focused you are, the more impactful your content will be. Avoiding these mistakes is just as important as creating great content. So stay focused on your audience, provide value consistently, and you'll see the difference it makes. Alright, so high quality content isn't just about looking good online. It is about building trust, solving real problems, and showing people why you're the expert they can count on. If you start creating blogs, videos, or freebies that help your audience, you're already ahead of the game. Just remember to stay consistent, keep it simple, and always focus on what your audience needs. If you're ready to get started, next step is to one, hit that like button if this video was helpful to you. Subscribe to the channel for more straightforward tips to grow your business and your brand. And check the description for a free checklist to help you plan your next piece of quality content. Alrighty, thank you so much for hanging out with me today. Go out there, create something amazing, and I'll see you in the next video next Monday. Alrighty, you take care of yourself. Bye.